Enhanced is the latest innovation from Aston Barclay that provides hassle-free enhancement to your newest auction-acquired vehicles. Comprehensive vehicle damage is assessed by trained professionals. They will record damage to alloy wheels, bumper damage and scratches, as well as minor dents in panels and other areas of the vehicle's bodywork, along with windscreen chips or scratches. With a trusted damage assessment and an extremely competitive repair quote at your fingertips through a comprehensive video assessment delivered via SMS and email, enabling you to authorize work from your mobile phone with a tap of a finger, you can make an informed decision and save time by enrolling your vehicle into the efficient enhanced process. Your vehicle can receive important cosmetic repairs that are completed to the highest standards by trained and experienced professionals.
And it's really useful to my business. It's reduced the amount of time I can put cars on sale, and the quality is always really good as well.
Enhanced by Aston Barclay is your time-saving and hassle-free enhancement option available for all your auction vehicles.